Eli, what are those?
Fish? Can I hold one?
We're about to get them out of there. You know what they're called?
What?
Shad. Can you say shad? Hey, can you say shad?
Shad.
We'll get one in a second. And you know what we're gonna do?
What?
We're gonna put them on these.
Oh, I touched it too. Mama almost bited me.
We're gonna try to catch some catfish. Videoing?
Yeah. Looks like we're about 5 feet of water too. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes, sir. That's a good fish.
Good one.
What do you think, Eli? Huh?
Yeah, but it
What
got
did I
my...
tell you? Grandpa tell you we was gonna catch some big old catfish? Huh?
Is that a catfish?
Yeah.
Catfish. Don't step on the pole. Eli. Hey.
What?
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Look. You having fun?
Yeah. We got Diet Pepsi.
Hey, don't spill it. That's not Diet Pepsi, that's Coke.
We got Coke.
Yeah.
We're in a van.
We're in a van. This ain't a van.
We're in a trailer.
You're right.
It's just a little bit bigger than that white man.
We're in a trailer. This whole entire room. We moved.
We moved?
Yeah.
Are we ever
And
going
we're gonna
back?
come back tomorrow.
Oh, we are.
And right now I'm eating a corn dog.
That's a hot dog.
I farted. Ow.
All right. It's day 2. You ready to catch some fish, Eli?
Yeah, but I didn't catch one yesterday.
Oh, yeah, you did. We could cut that catfish on these.
I didn't catch one.
All right. A little chilly this morning. Is it cold?
A little hot over there.
Yeah.
I can feel it. On there.
I did. Grandpa just
And you left it.
so absent-minded, I guess.
Well, last night we were fishing this dock,
Walked off.
and Grandpa forgot his tackle box.
Oh, are you recording this?
Yeah.
Thank God for honest people.
And it's still here in the morning.
There must have been angels guarding that tackle box.
Out of all the people that fish the dock between now and then,
You're on the phone. I can get it.
I can get it.
I can get it.
They left it for us. They didn't steal it. There she is. All right. Eli's catching one right now. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, he's a good one. Real good one.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Okay, that's good right there. Now,
All right, get over to the
hoist him
grandpa.
up in the boat.
Okay, what does that look like?
Now push your button. Push your button.
Look at that, Eli. Look at him.
Good one.
Here's our camp. You can fish that pond back there too.